Hey everybody, this is Alex from Quest Adventure Gaming in the Outbound Hope Mission. I'm currently standing on the newly renovated bridge of the Wayward Storm. The Wayward Storm is not only an escape room sometimes, but we also use it as our testing site for a lot of the software, equipment, and some of the general ideas that we have related to the Outbound Hope Mission. Now, a number of our players are going to be joining us at the end of this month on June 28th, 29th, and 30th here in beautiful Watkins Glen, New York, for our June meetup. And at that meetup, one of the things that we will do is allow our players to test a lot of our concepts and certainly our software, and a little bit of our storytelling, and a bit of a mini LARP that we'll be running right out of this set. So this set right here is laid out as a Kite-Class Gunship. So those of you who read the short story that we posted as part of our World Build Wednesday last week will probably recognize the layout a little bit because it was certainly described there. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour as we walk around the bridge here. So up towards the front, we're walking up towards the nose cone here, and you can see that you've got a pretty big window. Not a lot of exciting stuff going on the screen right now. That's because it's currently just in display mode, so nothing's actually running. None of this is the actual software that you'll see as part of the Outbound Hope mission. But right up here is where we'll have our helm and our weapons. So this will be where the pilot and the chief gunner will sit. If we push back just a little bit, then you'll see we've got navigation, which can also be our sensor station, and actually that's what we usually use it for when we're using Outbound Hope stuff. And then of course we've got our comms panel over here, and above the comms of course we have our enlistment posters, because we're trying to get folks to be part of our awesome November Outbound Hope Mission event. And then over here on the other side of the ship, you can see we've got the Wayward Storm logo, but we've also got a spot for the commanding officer, the captain, to sit and command from the bridge. Now, if we go all the way back here, so we're going to the stern of the ship, this would be the next room over. This would be our medical station. So there's lots of medical stuff going on over here. On this side of this particular room, we do have a big power grid, which is why the engineering access is there. So the next room back would go into our crew lounge. So you can see we've got some uniforms hanging there on the wall. These are actually some of the uniforms that will be used for the Outbound Hope mission. Some lockers and whatnot. There's a little bit of a couch. And of course, we've got the U.S. flag in 2219. But this is just a general area for crew to relax. We even have a garbage hatch open there. All the way at the back, we have the engineering station. So this is the place to be when stuff starts breaking, and certainly where our engineers will want to make sure that everything is running smoothly. And then there's a very bright reactor, so it's probably throwing my color off a little bit on this video. But yeah, so this is the general layout of our Wayward Storm. Again, we'll be using this for lots of testing in the coming months as we get ready for November's events. But you can partake in that. So if you want to join us here in Watkins Glen, if you're ever in the Finger Lakes area or in upstate New York, feel free to check us out. You're more than welcome to get the tour, and we're happy to show you what's going on here as part of the Outbound Hope mission. So hopefully this is giving you some stuff to chew on, some things to think about as far as what you can look forward to, and we hope to hear some new things soon. So per aspera ad astra, and we'll talk to you then.